If you're struggling to find the screensaver in Windows 10, you're not the only one. Maybe it's because modern screens don't suffer from the problem of still images burning into the display, but a moving screensaver was a fun distraction, a reminder of times outside the office, a way of marking your territory. Let's find out how to switch it back on. Since Windows 10 arrived, when you walk away from your computer, the lock screen comes down to keep prying eyes off your work. But don't worry, the original Windows screensavers are still in there somewhere. It's just that they're more difficult to find. First, you'll need to click on the Start menu. Then go to Settings. Click on Personalization. Then go to Lock Screen. Finally, slide down the right-hand panel and click on Screensaver Settings. Now you just need to pick your favourite screensaver from the list, decide how many minutes you want to wait before it kicks in, and adjust any other settings. Then click OK and close Settings. Did that work for you? Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which screensaver you went for. If you'd like to see more helpful videos from me in future, please hit the red subscribe button. Thanks for watching.